Today, we show you how to make mango chili chicken roll-ups. It's the classic Thai recipe you love, reimagined as a bite-sized appetizer. Find ingredients in the description. First, let's grab a ripe and juicy mango and let's peel it. Now, we want to cut it into thin slices. We use these slices as wraps for our rolls. They should look something like this. Take your time here and try to get them as long and thin as you can. Okay, now we'll prepare the chicken. We want to slice it thinly like we did the mango. Once again, take your time and do the best you can, keeping the slices as thin as possible. Now, for the last part, the Thai flavored filling. Let's take a stalk of lemongrass and let's remove any layer that feels rough to the touch. Then, we quickly dice what's left. Let's also clean and chop the fresh ginger, the Thai bird's eye chilies, and the spring onions. Keep these greens close as we'll need them soon. Then, grab your trusty blender and dip in a garlic clove, the honey, lime zest, lime juice, and veggie oil. Now, add the greens we chopped earlier. Off the blender goes, doing its blending. Finally, we assemble our rolls. We'll need the mango and chicken slices, our Thai salsa, and some toothpicks. Lay a slice of mango flat, followed by one of chicken. Trim the chicken to fit the mango if necessary. Now, spread in a teaspoon of filling and roll everything up. Use a toothpick to keep the roll from unfolding. Move the roll-ups onto a baking tray and bake them for 10 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius or at 375 degrees Fahrenheit with a static function. Once ready, move them over a rack to lose the excess liquid and you're done. You can serve these mango chicken rolls hot or cold. Enjoy!